Hi friends, welcome to Sita's Biology and Creativity. Today our creativity is how to make jewelry organizing box from water bottle. Let's see. First we have to take any type of the water bottle with this size. Then we have to remove the cover of the water bottle. So we removed the cover of the water bottle now. So now we have to cut the upper portion of the water bottle with the knife. Let's cut. So here we cut the upper portion of the bottle with the help of the knife. So the two partitions are divided. Now we have to shape the edges of the bottle with the help of the scissor like this shown for example. With the help of the scissor, now we are going to shape the edges of the bottle. Let's see. See here, in this way we have to shape the edges of the bottle with the help of the scissor. After shaping the bottle, now we have to take the thermocol, any shape of any size of the thermocol. Then we have to keep the bottle at the upside of the thermocol. Then we have to mark the shape of the bottle in the thermocol. With the help of the pen or with the help of the sketch, you can mark the size of the base of the bottle in the thermocol like this. After marking, then we have to cut it with the help of the knife. By keeping the knife in the fire, it is very easy to cut the thermocol in the perfect shape. Then we can cut very easily to the thermocol. With the help of this, now we are going to cut the shape of the base of the bottle in the thermocol in this way. So finally we cutted the shape of the bottle in the thermocol in this way. So in this way only we are going to cut the or shape the sides of the thermocol for the base. With the help of the knife, by keeping the knife in the fire, we are going to shape the thermocol now. In this way we have to shape the thermocol. So now we have to keep the bottle in the thermocol what we was cutted beforely. With the help of any gum, we have to fix that bottle in that thermocol. I was used that gum by fixing that bottle in the thermocol. So it fixes very tightly now. Now we have to decorate the bottle with the help of any color. If the colors are not available, you can take the nail paints. Here I was taking the red color paint. With the help of the cotton, I am just keeping it on the bottle. I am just shading the color on the upper part of the bottle. Like that only. Here we have taken the blue colored nail paint. With the help of the cotton, I was shaded in the down portion of the bottle. Later I have taken the pink color nail paint. With the help of the cotton, I was shaded the below the down portion, I was shaded with the pink in the bottle. Now with the help of the golden paint or the yellow nail paint, I also just shaded the thermocol for the emitting color purpose. Later with the help of the red color nail paint, I was kept the dots over the bottle. What was already dots was there on the bottle, there I was kept the dots with the help of the red nail paint. Now I was taking the lace from my golden dress. Now I am going to paste the dress into the bottle like this way. For the thermocol, for the upward of the thermocol and the upper part of the bottle, I was pasted the lace with the help of the gum to the bottle in this way. It looks very beautiful after pasting the or after lacing the lace to the bottle. Any type of the lace we can use here. Now I was taking the kundans from my old dress. I was taking those kundans from my old dress and I was pasted that kundans to this bottle like this. The cone type kundans was pasted at the upward what I was shaped for the edges of the bottle, and the round kundans was pasted like this. Pink and blue color kundans was used over here. After pasting the kundans to this bottle, it looks very beautiful. So now the complete jewelry organizing box was ready from the wasted materials. So here we can organize any type of our jewelry, like combs, like eyeliners, like pedicure brushes, like watches, like any type of the jewelry what we are using daily, though we can keep it in this bottle. And it is very easy to make. Here all we used the reused material over here for making this jewelry organizing box. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.